getting one win in the win column. So some of the highlights of the second innings, the Hawks started extremely well. Now that was the first boundary of the game, but after that it all went south. So the opening batsman Mukhtar out, and LBW shortly afterwards. Zamani was special this evening. He got the first of his 2 wickets. Mukhtar kept trying to go. A couple of big strokes, bit of fortune, but he was excellent. Asif Afridi, he was 2 for 34 from his overs. He did a really good job. But the only man that really got going was Shoaib Malik, and that was a stumping. Shahid Afridi, there's the celebration we all love and seen over many years. Special. Trying to go downtown, and when Shoaib Malik did, it went for 6. When others did, they held out. That was Shoaib Malik going downtown. Brilliant power hitting from this man.
Yeah, first one to hit a ball out of the stadium here in Muzafarabad Stadium here in Kashmir, and unfortunately that was the end of it. That man was good with the ball in hand. It was the easiest way to sum up this match. Was the Hawks had 125 run opening stand, and it took the Royals 7 wickets to get past that mark. And this was the last rights being read to the Royals. The Hawks brilliant in their execution.